right, students, this is going to be part 2 of gender roles in marketing. So let's take a look at the article that we're going to do, or at the lesson, sorry. Okay, we might meet, I would like to meet on Teams. I'll probably send you an invite for that. We've probably already had this discussion before you're watching this video. Anyways, revisiting the definition of stereotype that we had discussed on the Sidewalk Bleeding short story, and how stereotype is a preconceived notion about somebody. And then I want you to comment on the following. So this is what I kind of wanted to have a discussion about. What are some of the common gender stereotypes associated with males and females? These are not my examples. I got these online, but common stereotype: guys are tough and aggressive. Guys don't cry. Boys don't cry. Girls are sweet and passive. They have feelings. These are stereotypes that are associated with males and females. Do you believe these stereotypes to be accurate? Where do you think stereotypes come from? Who makes these preconceived notions about people? So there's a pretty fun video that you're going to watch on your own. So it's only about 2 minutes long. And what it is 2 different ads for this product called Moon Sand. And moon sand is kind of like a kinetic sand that when you press it together, you can make shapes and stuff with it. Anyways, the company came out with 2 different ads for this moon sand. One was geared towards boys and one was geared towards girls. These commercials were aired on Disney FX 10 minutes apart from each other when Moon Sand first came out. So students can watch and rewatch the advertisements and then answer the following questions. Like I said, they're only 2 minutes long. Commercials are only a minute, 10 seconds each or something. So list all the ways that Moon Sand commercials differ from each other using the chart. So we got the boys commercial and the girls commercial. What about the colors that were used in the ads? The music that was used, the tone of voice. I noticed right away in the boys one, the guy is kind of like he is talking about a monster truck rally or race or something, and he's just yelling into the microphone, and he's super animated and excited and talking about how you can smash stuff and make this big mess. And that's what I noticed right away. Gender of the narrator. Is it a male narrator talking about Moon Sand in the boys commercial and a girl narrator talking about Moon Sand in the girls commercial? I can't remember. I watched the videos yesterday, so there's that. Suggested activities. What that means are, what are some of the suggested activities for Moon Sand? What can boys do? I had mentioned, the narrator said, you could build this stuff up and smash it down. Well, is that what they have listed for suggested activities for the girls commercial? I don't think so. I think it's more along the lines of making things. Accessories that you can get for the boys Moon Sand and the girls Moon Sand. And then any other similarities or differences that you find. So after you fill out the chart, after watching the Moon Sand commercials a couple times, come down and answer these questions. We got, how does advertising for females differ from advertising for males? And you can use some of the knowledge that we had gained from the previous lesson on the Special K ads that we talked about, and the gender roles in that, and how women are perceived in marketing. Anyways, does gender-based marketing reinforce gender stereotypes? What types of ads appeal to both genders? So next, this is where you get to have, well, I would say fun, but you might not think so. Anyways, find 2 advertisements that are directed towards your gender. So if you're male, then find 2 ads that are directed towards males. And if you're female, vice versa. And share the product or service and name brand and the link for them here. So these can be kids' toys or ads, or can be more geared towards your age and be advertisements for teenagers for something like AirPods or, an iPhone. I don't know what kids are into. I'm assuming phones and headphones or something, or video games, maybe. I still play video games. Anyways, so for question 5 here, for one of the advertisements that you found in question 4, I want you to rewrite the advertisement as if it is for the opposite gender of your own. So if you find like a commercial for pink AirPods, I don't even know if they make pink AirPods. I'm just giving you an example. If you find a commercial for pink AirPods and it's a female narrator and everything, and it's talking about they're listening to music written by a female artist on there. So I'm not expecting you to rewrite the entire commercial. Just list some of the techniques that would be changed in the chart below. So what would be different if instead of selling pink AirPods, they were selling blue AirPods? So I left 3. So you're going to do it in the chart just like we did up top here. You're going to complete this in the chart here. So I had someone walking to my office there. I paused the video. Anyways, so what I want you to do for this is to, if you find, I'm going to keep going with the pink AirPods here. So, what are the colors that are used in the commercial? What kind of music is it? Tone of voice of the narrator, gender of narrator, maybe something. Then there's room here, 3 blanks that you can put in your own ideas that maybe something that you notice that is gender specific for this advertisement. So, coming from a female perspective, you have found an advertisement for pink AirPods, and you fill in the chart here. Now, you must take a walk in the shoes of a male and think about colors that might be used for the men's commercial. What kind of music would be used? Tone of voice, gender of the narrator. Maybe not much is gonna differ, and that's okay. So that's that. That is the end of part 2 of gender roles in marketing. Hope you enjoy. I look forward to seeing what you come up with for changing the gender role in some sort of advertisement, and seeing what you come up with for this. Most of these should be about the same. And we shall move on. Have fun, enjoy the moon sand. Let me know if the ad persuades you to buy some. It looks kind of fun to play with.